Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest AI and machine learning tutorials. Today, we're continuing our series on generative AI terms, and our topic is artificial superintelligence. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is artificial superintelligence, or ASI? In simple terms, ASI refers to a level of intelligence that surpasses the brightest and most gifted human minds in every field, including scientific creativity, general wisdom, and social skills. Artificial superintelligence, often abbreviated as ASI, is a theoretical form of AI where machines not only match but vastly exceed human intelligence. While current AI, like the one in generative AI, is termed as narrow AI, and future developments might lead to artificial general intelligence, AGI. ASI represents an intelligence that is beyond human capabilities in all respects. So, why is ASI important? The potential of ASI is monumental. It could solve complex global challenges such as climate change, disease eradication, and poverty by processing and analyzing data at speeds and scales unimaginable to humans. However, it also poses significant risks if not properly controlled. Let's talk about the potential benefits of ASI. 1. Medical advancements. ASI could revolutionize healthcare by discovering new treatments and cures for diseases. 2. Scientific breakthroughs. It could accelerate research in fields like physics, chemistry, and biology, leading to groundbreaking discoveries. 3. Economic growth. ASI could optimize production, reduce waste, and improve efficiency across industries, leading to unprecedented economic growth. However, with great power comes great responsibility. ASI also presents significant risks and ethical challenges. 1. Control. Ensuring that ASI systems remain under human control and aligned with human values is crucial. 2. Bias and fairness. Preventing biases in ASI systems is essential to avoid unfair treatment and discrimination. 3. Security. Protecting ASI systems from malicious use or cyber attacks is paramount to prevent catastrophic consequences. So what does the future hold for ASI? While we are still far from achieving artificial superintelligence, researchers and ethicists are actively exploring ways to develop ASI safely and responsibly. Continuous advancements in AI research, coupled with robust ethical frameworks, will be key to harnessing the benefits of ASI while mitigating its risks. To sum up, artificial superintelligence represents a future where machines could surpass human intelligence in every domain. While it holds tremendous potential for solving global challenges and advancing human knowledge, it also requires careful consideration of ethical and security issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more AI and machine learning tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.